In this lab, we are going to learn how to use the Harvester to perform open source intelligence over different domains. So first, let's learn what the Harvester can do. So in Kali, it's installed by default on newer Kalis. So I'm going to do the Harvester, capital H, very important, -H. And it's going to give me its info. So I can see -D is how I can specify a company name or domain. And the other big one is -B, so I can declare a source, and these are the possible sources that are allowed to be used with the Harvester. So in our example for this lab is Tesla. So in this demonstration lab, I'm going to do a different one. So I'm going to do the Harvester, and I'm going to do, let's do Google, why not? Google.com, and I'm going to do my source as Yahoo. So -D for the domain google.com, and -B for the source Yahoo. Let's see if we can find anything on Google. So we can see here that it didn't find any IP addresses or emails, but it found a lot of hosts. And that's kind of what we expect, since Google is such a publicly facing company. They have Workspace, the Google Play Store, Maps. This is very normal that we would expect from a publicly facing company like Google, since they have so many web services. But let's do another one. So instead of doing Google, let's do Alert 360. Let's see about this. Let's see if we can find anything on any public information on them. So here we can see we have an email found. So this is probably some sort of customer support or business email. And we can see we have different hosts as well. The final one we'll do to see kind of how this fully works is, it'd be kind of funny to do Tulsa Tech, but I'll abstract. But let me think real quick. Let me pause and think. Alrighty, so the last one I'm gonna do is Walmart.com. Just to do for our last one. Once again using Yahoo. We can see here we got some hosts. Now let's try switching this to Bing. Unfortunately, you can't use Google anymore. But we'll see if Bing can pull anything new. Nope. Usually Yahoo is my best go-to. So as you can see here, it's able to grab marketplace, the corporate, the careers, all that good stuff. And if I take out the .com and just do Walmart, I should get pretty similar results, if not the same. Might not be as efficient though. We'll see. So here, I got a few things. I'm not sure what these are. Those might just, I don't know. Online abuse, newsletter, Jane.doe. I'm not sure what those emails might be. But we found a bit more hosts. Though I do like to usually do the full domain name as possible to get the most genuine results. But all the Harvester does, it pulls all this from publicly facing information. So it just grabs what it can find. But none of this is considered sensitive, since it's all publicly on the internet, can be found. Now, I would still respect this kind of tool. I wouldn't just, do it for fun. It can put bad thoughts, and it can lead down some bad rabbit holes. But as a security expert, it's important for you to know what's on there, especially if you're doing this against your company, to see exactly what's going on or what publicly facing email addresses do we have, etc. So that's how I would use it defensively.